Hi friends. Hi friends. Welcome to my new video. I, Mr. Ajit Ghatge, lecturer of Mechanical Engineering Department, scale is CB Kori Polytechnic, Chikkodi. Dear friends, today I am going to explain about diesel engine cycle. As shown in figure, you can see here PV diagram and TS diagram, and along with piston and cylinder arrangement. And in this cycle, air as a working media. And you can see here, this is TDC, this is BDC, this is called one stroke. And this cycle is also known as constant pressure cycle because the heat is added at constant pressure process in this process only. See here, in this process, the heat is added. That's why it is called constant pressure cycle. And it consists of two reversible adiabatic or isentropic processes, one constant pressure and one constant volume process. This is what diesel engine cycle. Let me explain one by one process. So first is process number 1, that is called adiabatic compression process. Means this one from 1 to 2. This is called what? Adiabatic compression process. So first you consider this arrangement. Now there is the air within this cylinder and piston moving from TDC to BDC. Now what will happen? The air is compressed. Means volume decrease, pressure increase and temperature also increase. Now see here in TS diagram, temperature T1 to T2 temperature increase from 1 to 2, volume decrease from 1 to 2 and pressure increase from 1 to 2. And the work is done on the system or on the air. Means work is done on the air. That is in terms of, I can write negative. So means you can see here, work in means work done on the system or on the air. And in this process, heat remain constant. There is no addition or rejection of heat by the or from the air or system. This is process number 1. Then process number 2, from 2 to 3. Now consider this cylinder. So in this, what happened? The air will expand from V2 to V3, means volume increase from V2 to V3 by keeping pressure constant, means P2 equal to P3, and temperature increase from T2 to T3. This is amount of rise in temperature. And in this process, heat is supplied. You can see here, heat is supplied to the air or to the system. And I can write equation heat supplied Q equals to Q23 equals to mass M, mass of gas at constant pressure Cp into T3 minus T2. This is what amount of heat supplied to the system or to the air. This equation I can write for heat supplied. Then process number 3, from 3 to 4. Consider this one. What will happen in this process? The piston moves from TDC to BDC, means increase in volume from 3 to 4, and temperature drop or decrease from 3 to 4, and pressure drop from 3 to 4. These are the changes of properties of system. Means in this process, volume increase, temperature decrease, pressure decrease, and heat remain constant. There is no addition or rejection of heat by the or to the system. This is what changes of properties in process. And in this process, work is out. W out means what? Work out means work done by the air. Means work is in terms of positive. work done by the system or by the air. This is what? Process number third. And last process 4 to 1. See this one. In this process, volume remain constant, pressure decrease from 4 to 1, this is pressure decrease, and temperature decrease from 4 to 1, this is drop in temperature, and heat rejected by the air, means heat is going out from air to outside. And in this process, volume remain constant, means V1 equals to V4. It is called what? Volume remain constant. And in this process, heat is rejected by the air. And temperature decrease, means drop. This is an amount of temperature drop. Volume constant, pressure drop. This is amount of pressure drop, this much. This is called what? Diesel engine cycle. So this is the working principle of diesel engine cycle, or I can write constant pressure cycle. These are the 4 different processes of this diesel engine cycle. And I can write equation for Q rejected, Q 4 to 1 equals to mass of gas M at constant volume CV of T4 minus T1. This is the what? Equation for heat rejected in constant volume process, or I can write process number 4 to 1. I hope you will understand by this video. Thank you for watching this video.